All right, so this is for the Ocean Ecology Abiotics Factor Google Doc. Click here to get to the simulation. Make sure you log in. If not, there's going to be a 5-minute timer. Again, to get rid of the 5-minute timer, you got to log in. This one's just asking you to take a look at the graph. Advanced 10 years. The advanced year is down over here. Once you've advanced, make sure you click restart. Down over here, make sure you click on data. So it's going to ask you to make sure these 4 are clicked. Later on, we'll play around with a couple of others. This part's just familiarizing you with the different tabs. If you click over here, you'll get things like nutrient load, which is right over here, for PPT. We'll talk about what PPT means later. It's shorthand for parts per thousand. What's the water clarity percent? What's the coral cover percent? Because we're going to come back to this summary tab. So, and then it goes all the way down to, storm sensitivity, which is set at 20%. So just fill in these little bubbles right here with what you see here on the side. Then over here, just a little bit about the different species that are here right now. So just click on it. It'll tell you the name. So boulder star coral, and then it'll talk about what it consumes, like how does it stay alive, how does it obtain its energy. So just click on a couple of these, and then again, just give me the name and then what it is consuming, and it'll say down over here. It'll also give the population size somewhere in here. Not that you need that right now. And then again, a couple quick questions about the coral that's there. A couple quick questions about the producers. This is also just, a lot of clicking and reading for the most part. Right here where it says create a food chain. So really it should end up looking like this with a little arrow. You can just like copy this arrow if you don't know how to make one. But it's saying like create a possible food chain, like, grass is not that you would do this. So there's no grass here, but like grass is eaten by, a snail, and that gets eaten by a bird. So, but you're basing it off of what you see here. So you do have to kind of go back to this and see what it eats. So like, this gets eaten by this gets eaten by that. And then you make 2 of those. So again, find a way to make 2 different food chains. There's a lot of different combos here. All right, this is the one where I wanted you to pay a lot of attention to. So you're going to disrupt this environment. So you're going to go back to the conditions here. And when it says, and this is the part that I'm really looking at right here, where it says extreme left impact, so on storm sensitivity. So what I need you to do is you're going to go ahead and slide it all the way over to the left. And this is over a 5-year period, okay? So you're going to slide all the way over to the left, advance 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click on the summary, and then what is the impact on the coral cover? So right here, coral cover is at 59%. Once you're done with that, come back to conditions. This is the most important part. Click reset original settings and reset the year. And now you're going to slide storm sensitivity all the way to 100, advance 5 years, and do the same thing. Come back, return to original settings, restart, and then run it another 5 years. Do the same thing with ocean temp and ocean pH. So again, all the way to the left, run 5 years, check percent coral cover. And then right here it's asking you which one out of all of them had the greatest impact on coral cover. Was it ocean temperature to the right, like extreme right? Was it ocean pH to the extreme left? Was it storm sensitivity to the extreme right? So tell me which one of the abiotic factors was the most significant when it came to coral cover.